A DJ name is going to be your unique identity in the DJ industry. You're going to need it for bookings, you're going to need it to talk to clients, you're going to need it for when you smash a booking that people can search you on the internet and follow you on social media so they can come to your next event. Your DJ name is so important, so I'm going to give you 5 steps on how to choose the best DJ name. Step 1, research your favorite DJs. There's DJs like James Hype, DJ EZ, DJ Don Bryan, DJs that I look up to. So you can look at these DJs and figure out how they got their DJ name. How does DJ EZ relate to his person? Go find out what his name is and see if it relates to that. DJ James Hype, I guarantee that his first name is James, but where did he get the hype from? Do you know what I mean? You need to look at these other DJs and see how they come up with their DJ name. Nathan Dorr, that's his actual real name. Do you know what I mean? People are using their real DJ names these days because it's just easier. So research other DJs to see how they got their DJ names. Step 2, think of names that relate to you. Your first name, your last name, your nickname in school. In school, my nickname was C-E-E, and my middle name is Byron. So that's where I got the B from. That's where I got DJ CB from. It was literally my nickname and my middle name that built my DJ name. So for you, it could be your first name and then a nickname, or it could be a middle name or anything. Try and create a DJ name that is relatable to you, because when someone asks you how do you get a DJ name, you can easily be like, well, that's my first name mixed with my middle name, etc. So it's just as simple as that. Try and think of a name that's relatable to you. Step 3, try and think of a DJ name that is easy to be searched. There's too many DJ names that I've seen before and it's just impossible for people to find them on Instagram or on Google. You want your DJ name to be found on Google easily. If you go to Google right now and type in DJ CB, I will be the first result. And that's because my DJ name is so easy to be searched. For you, your goal is to make sure that when someone types in your DJ name on Google, you want to come up as the first result. So make sure that you can find a DJ name that's easily searched. Also, make sure that you're finding a DJ name that can be searched by these voice recognition devices. You see now that they've got Amazon Alexa and they've got Google Home, you want to be able to go to your device and be like, Alexa, play DJ CB's mix. Do you know what I mean? Something simple like that. You see how Nathan Dorr is blowing up now with his new tracks with Flowers? I guarantee you can go to Google Home and go, okay Google, play Nathan Dorr. His name is so simple and it will pick it up and it will play his track. Make sure that you're finding a DJ name that is easy search and make sure that it's easy to be found on one of these devices like Alexa or Google Home. I always use this example when I'm talking about being easily searched. DJ Double, he spells his name D-U-B-L, but if he was to shut down a club tonight and then a person goes home and search for DJ Double, what are they going to search on Google? D-O-U-B-L. Exactly. He always addresses this issue in his podcast, so I always use it in my videos. You want to be able to have a DJ name that people can go to Google and type in immediately. DJ Double has gone through the struggle and now he's just dealt with it. That's his brand and he can't change. He's too deep into his career now to change his DJ name, so he's now stuck with D-U-B-L, but it works for him. Step 4, write down your DJ name on a piece of paper. And I'll tell you why. Write it down on a piece of paper and have a look at it. Will this look good on a flyer? Will you be able to convert this into a logo? Your DJ name is going to be put on loads of different flyers. You don't want it too long, you don't want it too messy. You want it straight, blunt and to the point. My DJ logo can go on a flyer and it stands out. It's got the splatter behind it and it's got nice bold writing. It's going to look good on a flyer. Also, try and make your DJ name as short as possible so it's just easy to have on a flyer. You don't want to have to squash it down so people can't see your name and it's just a blob. Write down your DJ name on a piece of paper and have a look at it. Does it look good? Will this look good on a flyer? If it doesn't, go back to the drawing board and think of another DJ name. Step 5, get someone to say your DJ name out loud. First of all, you say it out loud. Be in your room and shout, DJ CB, DJ CB. Does that sound good? And also get your friend to say it. When your friend or your girlfriend or your mum says it, you'll then realize if it's a good DJ name or not. Because if you hear it and you sound cringed out by it, go back to the drawing board. Because you got to remember, people are going to be calling you this name on the streets, in the clubs, anywhere they see you. You don't want to be cringed out by your own DJ name. So make sure that you're picking a DJ name that you like. I get called CB all the time in the clubs or if anyone sees me on the road, and I don't care because it's my DJ name and I love it. So make sure that you're picking a DJ name that you actually like and you like hearing. It is so important to have a decent DJ name in the industry because you are going to be taking this DJ name all the way until the end of your DJ career. So pick something that you like, because if you get too far in and you decide to change, it's going to mess up your branding completely.